Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.4. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then click on Ubuntu. See here, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu 26.25.24.0. Okay, so I'm on Ubuntu 24.04 and its code name is Noble. Why I am telling about code name is, here instead of this resolute we have to give the code name. I'm on 24, so I have to give 24 Noble. If we are on 22, we have to give Gemini. Just here replace this resolute with Noble. Okay, now we have to run these commands one by one. So open terminal, copy these commands one by one. See, both are already newest versions. Control A. Now run these two commands to import the repository key. Now we have to create this file. So create this file, sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy first two lines, paste it, hit enter, then type suits colon space, then noble, then hyphen pg dg. I just replaced it here resolute with Noble. Okay, then copy next three lines, hit enter, paste it, escape colon wq exclamation. Now update the packages, sudo apt update successfully updated the packages. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. If you don't give the version number, it will install latest version. Okay, -18, hit enter. See, we are installing PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18.4. This is the data directory, and see here the default Alex max functions 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. Default time zone is Asia Kolkata, because this is based on my machine settings. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo system ctl status PostgreSQL. The PostgreSQL Server is active and running and its service is enabled. Quit Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, you have connected to PostgreSQL Server 18.4, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is psql client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we got the PostgreSQL Server version number 18.4. Quit. Control A. Now verify the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So first verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. Okay, you can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Alter means the above alter statement executed successfully. And see here, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. Now we will create database. Before that, verify the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Quit. You can also get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same. Okay, now we will create database. Create database then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. Okay, quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command \c or \connect. Okay, either is fine. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, you have created table customer in public schema and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the conversation and connect to PostgreSQL Server with this new user. Exit. We have to give \q psql -h, which means hostname, localhost -u must be caps, then username is David -d means database Postgres. See, we have connect. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. So I have provided the same password here. Okay, see, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server with the user David. We can also verify the same by running select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server with the user David. Ctrl. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, we have successfully connected to the database bank. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission error for table customer because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl start status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server stopped 8 seconds ago. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. See, we have started 1 second ago. Controlling. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Control. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL Server by using pgadmin and db. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. I have already installed db. Now click on database and select new database connection, or click on this plugin button. Both are same for new database connection. Select PostgreSQL, then click on next. Now here in hostname localhost is fine, port number 5432, database Postgres, then username Postgres, then provide the password that we have set for this user. Then click on text connection. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server 18.4. Click on OK, click on finish. Expand connection, expand databases. See, here we have these databases. If you want to create database, right click on here, then create database, then provide the name of the database. Click on OK. See, new database is there. If you want to run queries against the table that is there in this database, right click on database, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.